Welcome to my class, students. We continue with our discussion on compound angles. Compound angles, as we studied last time, are also called sum or difference of angles. Let us straight away revise the formulas. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. In case it's minus sign here, minus sign on the right hand side also. Second formula, that is cos of A plus B, is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Minus sign here, then plus sign on the right hand side. Third is for tan A plus B, that is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. And in case minus sign here, then minus sign here and plus sign here. We studied a boundary tan pi by 4 plus x, that's 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. And in case minus sign is here, minus sign here and plus sign here. And cot of A plus B, that is cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. And in case minus sign is there, plus sign here and minus sign here. Also, we studied these formulas: sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This is sin square of A minus sin square of B. This can be written 1 minus cos square of A and 1 minus this is cos square of B. So this is cos square B minus cos square of A. So we can write this or this, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. And for cos A plus B into cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, it's cos square A again minus sin square B. And we can change this to sin square and this to cos square to get similar result. Now coming to the questions, starting with the first one. Start from left hand side. This is tan A plus B upon cot of A minus B. This is tan A plus B. 1 upon cot, this can be written tan of A minus B. Then we use these formulas. Tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. And this is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. This is like A plus B, A minus B, so it's A square, that's tan square A minus B square tan square B. 1 minus this is tan square A into tan square of B. This is what we wanted to do. The next one. This is again a question with tans. So students, you must learn the formulas in the class itself. Do not delay. Here also we start from left hand side. This is of the form A square minus B square. This is also A square minus B square. So we write this as tan 2x plus tan x. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Tan 2x minus tan x. Denominator is again A square minus B square. We write 1 plus tan 2x into tan x, and this is 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. I have written plus sign here and minus sign here, minus sign here and plus sign here. Now this is like tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. This is tan of A plus B, 2x plus x. And this is tan of 2x minus x. So that's tan 3x into tan of x. This is what we wanted to prove. Same as the right hand side. third question. Here we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Right hand side is sine square of a plus b. So since left hand side is a difficult expression, complicated expression, we start from left hand side only. Cos square a plus cos square b. This is cos square of a. Cos square of b I am writing 1 minus sine square of b minus 2 cos a cos b into cos of a plus b. This is 1 plus cos square a minus sine square b minus 2 cos a cos b into cos of a plus b. This is 1 plus. Now what is cos square a minus sine square b? We know it's cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b minus 2 cos a cos b into cos of a plus b. This is 1 plus. This is cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b. We take cos of a plus b common. Inside it's cos a minus b minus 2 cos a cos b. This is 1 plus cos a plus b. Expanding, cos of a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b minus it's 2 cos a into cos b. This is 1 plus cos a plus b. We take minus sign common. It's cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. That's 1 plus cos of a plus b bracket minus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is cos of a plus b. So this will be plus into minus sign, and this is cos square a plus b. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square of theta. So this is sin square of a plus b. This is what we wanted to do. Fourth question. We are given a plus b. Tan a plus b is x. Tan a minus b is y. We have to find value of tan of 2a and tan of 2b. So here the component angles, constituent angles are given as a plus b and a minus b. Using these constituent angles, we have to write compound angle, that is 2a and 2b. So we can write 2a as this plus this. It's a plus b plus a minus b, and 2b is a plus b minus a minus b. So using constituent angles, we are able to write the compound angles. So we have to find value of tan of 2a. We just wrote 2a as a plus b plus a minus b. Using tan a plus b, this will be tan of first angle plus tan of second angle upon 1 minus tan a plus b into tan a minus b. Tan a plus b is x, so x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is the answer. Similarly, we can write tan 2b as tan, it's a plus b minus a minus b, which will be x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Tan of this angle minus tan of this angle, that is x minus y upon 1 plus tan of this into tan of this, that is x into y. Fifth question. We are given two equations in a and b. Cos of a plus sin of b is m, and sin of a plus cos of b is n. And we have to prove 2 times sin of a plus b as m square plus n square minus 2. So m square, n square. So this is guiding us that we should square these equations. squaring and adding, we get cos square of A plus sin square B plus 2 cos A sin B, and plus sin square of A plus cos square of B plus 2 sin A cos B. This is equal to m square plus n square. Now cos square A plus sin square A is 1. Sin square B plus cos square B is 1. This is 2 common. Inside sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is equal to m square plus n square. This is 2. Shifting to the right hand side, and sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin of A plus B. So this gives us the result. 2 times sin of A plus B is equal to m square plus n square and minus 2. The sixth question. Again we have two equations in angle A and B. This time it's tans and cots. The first one, it's tan A plus tan B is A, small a, cot A plus cot B is B. And we have to prove that cot of A plus B is equal to 1 by A minus 1 by B. So we find out cot of A plus B. This is formula cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. So we have value for cot B plus cot A, that is B, but we need value of cot A into cot B. This is cot A into cot B. We'll get this value using these equations. The first one, changing tans to cots, 1 by cot A plus 1 by cot B. This is equal to A, that's cot B plus cot A upon cot A cot B. This is equal to A. Substituting value of cot B plus cot A equal to B, we have cot A cot B. This is equal to B by A. Now substituting values of cot A cot B here, we get this is equal to cot A cot B is B by A minus it's 1 upon cot B plus cot A, that is B. This is B minus A upon AB, or this is 1 by A minus 1 by A. This is what we wanted to do. Now the seventh question. We'll simplify left hand side to get it equal to the right hand side. The given equation is tan of x plus tan of x plus pi by 3. So let's write this one. We have tan x plus tan of A plus B. This is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B plus again tan of A plus B, it's tan x plus tan 2 pi by 3 upon 1 minus tan x into tan 2 pi by 3. This is given equal to 3 and we have to prove the result. Substituting values, tan pi by 3 is tan 60, that is root 3. Tan 2 pi by 3, this is tan pi minus pi by 3, that is minus tan pi by 3. This is using allied angles. If you are unable to find value of this, do revise chapter on my lecture on allied angles, the link for which is given in the description. This is minus root 3. Substituting these values here, we have tan x plus, this is tan x plus, this is root 3, 1 minus tan x into root 3. Tan x, this is minus root 3, this will be 1 plus tan x into root 3. This is given equal to 3. Tan x plus, let us combine these two. This is a minus b into a plus b. This is a square minus b square. Then this into this, tan of x into 1 plus this will be root 3 into tan square of x. Then plus root 3 and plus 3 into tan of x. Plus this into this. It's tan x minus root 3 into tan square of x minus root 3 and plus 3. This is tan x. And this is given equals to 3. This is plus root 3, this is minus root 3, and this will also cancel. Tan x into 1 minus this is 3 tan cube of x plus this is 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 8 tan x upon 1 minus 3, this is tan square of x given equals to 3. This is 3, 1 minus, this will be 3 common, and this is 3 tan x. So 3 minus tan, okay, we take 3 tan x common. Let's take 3 tan of x common. And inside it's 3 minus tan square of x upon this is 1 minus 3 tan square of x. This is equal to 3. We have to prove 3 tan x. So this 3 will cancel out and we have tan x into 3, that is 3 tan x minus tan cube of x and upon 1 minus 3 tan square of x. This is equal to 1. This is what we want to do. We'll learn in a later lecture that this is tan of 3x. So you can say tan of 3x is equal to 1. The 8th question, we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Start from left hand side, which is 1 by sine of x minus a into sine of x minus b. Let me write down left hand side 1 by this is sine of x minus a into sine of x minus b. This can be written. Now we divide and multiply by this expression sine of a minus b. So this is dividing by sine of a minus b, multiplying by sine of a minus b, and sine of x minus a, sine of x minus b here. Okay, we keep this as it is. So this is required in the final answer. And here sine of a minus b, we add and subtract x. This can be written x minus b minus x minus a upon this is sine x minus a into sine of x minus b. So this is adding and subtracting x. Now expand using sine of a minus b. This is sine of a minus b as it is. This is sine of x minus b into cos of x minus a minus cos of x minus b into sine of x minus a upon denominator as it is sine x minus a into sine of x minus b. This is 1 by sine of a minus b. Now dividing this with this, sine of x minus b will cancel out. We have cos upon sine, which is cot of x minus a, and this upon this, sine of x minus a will cancel out. We will have cos upon sine, that is cot of x minus a. So this is how we prove it. The 9th question, we are given alpha and beta. These are two solutions of equation a tan x plus b secant x is equal to c, and we have to evaluate tan of alpha plus beta. So first of all, we'll write formula for tan of alpha plus beta. So you know tan of alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Using this equation, a tan x plus b secant x is equal to c. We write b secant x as c minus a into tan x, squaring both sides. This is c square plus a square tan square of x minus 2ac into tan x. We can change secant square of x to 1 plus tan square of x. This is a square tan square of x and plus this is c square. Shifting all the terms to the right hand side, this is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square into tan square of x minus it's 2ac into tan of x and plus c square and minus b square. So we observe that this is quadratic in tan of x. Alpha and beta are two solutions. So we'll have sum of roots as tan of alpha plus tan of beta and product of roots as tan alpha into tan beta. Recall that if we have the quadratic of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, alpha and beta are two roots, then sum of roots alpha plus beta, this is equal to minus b by a, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, and product of roots alpha beta, that is c by a. So this gives us tan of alpha plus tan of beta as this minus this upon this, that's 2ac upon a square minus b square, and product of roots, that is constant term upon coefficient of this. This is c square minus b square upon a square minus b square. Now we can substitute values. Tan of alpha plus tan of beta is 2ac upon a square minus b square, and this is 1 minus c square minus b square upon a square minus b square. Simplifying, this is 2ac, a square minus b square LCM will cancel out. This is a square minus b square minus c square plus b square. This gives us 2ac upon a square minus c square. This is value of tan of alpha plus beta. The next three questions, the last three questions, these are based on another concept. Let us discuss that. If we have an expression of the form a sin x plus b cos x, a sin x plus b cos x, x has to be the same. Angle in both the cases is the same. Expression containing sine of an angle and cos of the same angle. Then its maximum value we can write as root of a square plus b square, and the minimum value, that is minus root of a square plus b square. In the question number 10, we have to reduce this to, first of all, sine of a single angle, then cosine of a single angle. Let us write the expression as e root 3 sin x minus cos x. So if this is the expression and we have to write this in terms of sine of an angle or cos of an angle, then this is what we do. We divide and multiply by root of a square plus b square. This is root of a square plus b square into 1 by root of a square plus b square, a here, sin of x here plus b upon this into cos of x. And this expression, this can be written as, if this is a, this is b, this is root of a square plus b square, or we have b here, a here, and root of a square plus b square. This can be written sine of angle, and this can be written cos of angle, or for this it's cos of triangle, cos of angle, and this is sine of angle. So if it is cos and this is sine, we have sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. It's sine of a plus b. It reduces to sine of an angle. Similarly, if we use this, it will be cos. So let us learn this, how to use for this question. Expression is root 3 sin x minus cos x. First of all, we have to change this to sine of an expression. We divide by, this is a, this is b. Root of a square plus b square, which is 2. So this will be 2 into root 3 by 2 into sin x minus 1 by 2 into cos of x. That's 2. This is sine of 60 degrees into this is sine of x minus this is, okay, we have to change it to sine. So let me write here, this is cos of pi by 6 sine of x minus sine of pi by 6 into cos of x. This is 2 times sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. This is sine of a minus b, x minus pi by 6. So this expression is now 2 times sine of this. So this is the angle, and we have to reduce this to sine of a single expression. So this is sine of single expression. For the same question, when we have to change to cosine of single expression, we write E as root 3. This is sin x minus cos x. Again divide by 2. We get root 3 by 2 into sin x minus 1 by 2 into cos x. Now here we take minus sign outside. This is minus 2. We'll have 1 by 2 into cos x minus root 3 by 2 into sin x. This is minus 2. 1 by 2 can be written cos of pi by 3 into this is cos of x minus this is sin pi by 3 into sin of x. That's minus 2. It's like cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is cos of a plus b, pi by 3 plus x. So this is how we reduce this to cos of single angle. Minus 2 times cos of pi by 3 plus x. The next one is we have to find sine of 100 minus sine of 10. We have to tell whether this expression is positive or negative. So 110 degrees are allied angles. We can write sine of 100 minus sine of 10 as sine of 90 plus 10 minus sine of 10. This is cos of 10 minus this is sine of 10. So when angle is same, when angle is x, angle here is 10. This can be written 1 square plus 1 square. We divide and multiply by root of 2. So this can be written root 2, 1 by root 2 cos of 10 minus 1 by root 2 into sine of 10. This is root 2. So 1 by root 2 is cos of 45 into cos of 10. This can be written sine 45 into sine of 10. This is root 2. Now cos A, cos B minus sine A, sine B is cos of A plus B. This is cos of 55 degrees. Root 2 is positive. This is angle in first quadrant. Cos of 55 is also positive. So this expression has positive sign. Sign of the expression is positive. The last one. We are given L is less than or equal to an expression less than or equal to M. we have to find values of L and M. So can we say L is the minimum value and M is the maximum value? That means we have to find out the minimum and the maximum values of the expression. So we just learned that if we have a sin x plus b cos x as the expression, then we can say the maximum value is root of a square plus b square, the minimum value minus of root of a square plus b square, but x has to be the same. Let us say this is expression E. We write E as 3 cos of x plus 5 sin of x minus pi by 6. That's 3 cos of x plus 5 sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a into sin b. That's 3 cos of x plus 5. This is sin x cos of pi by 6. This is root 3 by 2 minus 5 cos x into 1 by 2. 3 cos x minus 5 by 2 cos x is 1 by 2 cos x plus this is 5 root 3 by 2 into sin of x. This is expression. Now this x is the same. Here we had x, this was x minus pi by 6. So we have made x the same. Now we can apply that result. The maximum value will be root of a square 1 by 4 plus this is 75 by 4. So that's root of 90. And the minimum value will be minus of root of 90. So that means L is minus root 90 and M is plus root 90.